welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time passing by, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's been a while on this channel, but I'm back with lots of exciting educational content for my kiddies. On today's episode, I'll be talking about blending. Previously on my videos, I have a lot about blending. When it comes to talk about CVC, which is consonant, vowel, consonant. But today, I'll be talking about blending what? Vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are what? 5 letter sounds. We have what? 5 vowel what? Sounds. And they are A, E, O. Alright, let's go again. A, E, O. Remember, there is no Philiandkids without what? Circle time. Are you ready for a circle time? It's time to exercise. Let's go! Time today, we'll be singing what are 5 vowel sounds. Do you know your 5 vowel sounds? Our 5 vowel sounds is, come closer. Let's go. We have A, E, O. A, E, O. Let's rush it. A, E, O. A, E, O. Now it's time to go to the exciting part. So let's go. A, E, O. A, E, O. A, E, O. The vowels that I know. Let's go. A, E, O. A, E, O. A, E, O. The vowels that I know. Did you get it? Now let's take it slower. A, E, O. A, E, O. A, E, O. That's vowels that I know. Now we're going to stretch with it. Let's go. A, E, O. A, E, O. A, E, O. That's vowels that I know. Previously, I said we'll be learning about what? Blending. So we'll be blending our what? Vowel sounds. Are you ready? So let's go. Our vowel sounds are A, E, O. Let's start with our blend. B, A, ba. B, be. B, I, bi. B, O, bo. B, O, bo. D, A, da. D, de. D, I, di. D, O, do. D, O, do. F, A, fa. F, fe. F, I, fi. F, O, fo. F, O, fo. G, A, ga. G, ge. G, I, gi. G, O, go. G, O, go. A, ha. He. I, he. O, ho. Ho. J, a, ja. J, je. J, I, ji. J, o, jo. J, o, jo. K, a, ka. K, ke. K, I, ki. K, o, ko. K, o, ko. A, la. Le. I, li. O, lo. O. A, ma. Me. I, mi. O, mo. O, mo. A, na. Ne. I, ni. O, no. O, no. P, a, pa. P, pe. P, I, pi. P, o, po. P, o, po. Qu, a, qua. Qu, e, que. Qu, I, qui, qua, qua, a, ra, e, re, I, ri, o, ra, o, ra, s, a, sa, s, e, se, s, I, si, s, a, sa, s, a, sa, t, a, ta, t, e, te, t, I, ti, t, a, ta, t, a, ta, v, a, va, v, e, ve, v, I, vi, v, a, va, v, a, va. Now, to make this more understanding and more enjoyable to learn, we are going to what? Sing it as a song. Are you ready? Ready, ready, ready? So let's go. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O. Ba, be, bi, ba, ba, be, bi, ba, ba, be, bi, ba, be, bi, ba. Are you following? Da, de, di, da, de, di, da, de, di, da, de, di, da. Fa, fe, fi, fa, fe, fi, fa, fa, fe, fi, fa, fe, fi, fa. Ga, ge, gi, ga, ge, gi, ga, ge, gi, ga, ge, gi, Ha, he, hi, ha, he, hi, ha, he, hi, ha, he, hi, ja, je, ji, ja, je, ji, ja, je, ji, ja, je, ji, ja. Ka, ke, ki, ka, ke, ki, ka, ke, ki, ka, ke, ki, ka. La, le, li, la, le, li, la, le, li, la, le, li, la. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma, me, mi, mo. Now let's sing along. Na, ne, ni, no, na, ne, ni, no, na, ne, ni, no, na, ne, ni, no. Pa, pe, pi, pa, pe, pi, pa, pe, pi, pa, pe, pi, pa. Wa, kwe, wi, kwa, kwe, wi, kwa, kwe, wi, kwa, kwe, wi, kwa. Ra, re, ri, ra, re, ri, ra, re, ri, ra, re, ri, ra. Sa, se, si, sa, sa, se, si, sa, se, si, sa, se, si, sa. Ta, te, ti, ta, te, ti, ta, te, ti, ta, te, ti, ta. Va, ve, vi, va, ve, vi, va, ve, vi, va, ve, vi, va. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed our learning today. Remember, if you keep practicing this, you're going to perfect it. And with all of these sounds, you'll be able to get your what? 3-letter words. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you next time, and bye-bye.